Guys, today is day 2 of the Puerto Rico trip. We had breakfast and we had snacks, we had some food, and now we are taking off. We have taken off to, it's like a 48-minute drive. I don't know the name of the place, but it's a rainforest. It's probably America's only rainforest left, and it is. So we are going to do some trekking and walking through the trails, and then once we are done with the rainforest, we'll probably have some snacks and then go to one of the beaches. So that is what that's what the plan is, right?
लाइट वाले बोलो एंडी फुल
So these are La Coca Falls, I think. That's what it's called. La Coca Falls. Yep. Yep. La Coca Falls. So this is the La Coca waterfalls in the rainforest. I hope it doesn't rain. See? Very pretty. Ooh. So this is where we came from. Yeah. That's what it is. manager. Such a pretty view. My GoPro broke down, so I've shot on my cell phone and on GoPro. Now we have come to the Luquillo beach. That's it. So we are here at the Luquillo beach, and what we are doing here is that after coming back from that national forest or the forest area, we're here at the Luquillo beach in San Juan, and there's a nice little place to hang out and have food. You see? Yeah. But parking is very difficult to find. So now that we have found the parking, after about 20 minutes of driving around, we're going to go to the beach and then hang out. We are also thinking of having some local drinks. They had a cart of amazing milkshakes. I'm very curious to see what that tastes like. So we might try that one also. So let's see. I'll shoot some videos. Bye. We finished parking the car there, and now we're going to just walk to the beach through all the stores. Oh! Coconuts. Some of these stores are closing now. I think we might be a little late. I think some of these stores close at 5 o'clock. But they have all these drink shops. So many drink shops. This is pina coladas. The thing about mojitos, the thing about Puerto Rico is that every store is basically a bar, because they all serve liquor. Every store has mojitos, pina coladas, all kinds of interesting drinks. This is a merchandising store. Yeah. So, and see, the beach is on this side. Actually, these are the stores, and the beach is behind the store. But the other side of the street is filled with these palm trees, beautiful, green palm trees. I'm still waiting to find a spot that serves a good, coconut. So let's see. Look at this store. See, this store is a bar. Let's see, they have this crab.
Front camera or
Back. Yep. So I just wanted to give you the real life experience of, like you were walking with me. See, the thing about the beach kind of lifestyle is that you cannot really enjoy the beach in a day. You really need a beach accessible place for some time and then you get to really enjoy the beach. Yeah, I'll hang up. Yeah, you know, that's the thing about the beaches. You really need to live at a beach accessible place, and then that's how you can truly live there and experience, you know, because playing and visiting a beach is just one thing, but if you want to really feel the breeze, there's a specific beach fragrance that beach has, you know, of course, if it's not polluted. A lot of beaches are very polluted today, so you know there's a smell in the air that is very misty and very unique to beaches. That smell you can enjoy only when you're at a beach or you live in the city that is next to a beach. Yeah. One thing about Puerto Rico that I really want to tell you about is the Puerto Rican parrot. So Puerto Rican parrots are pretty famous, and I don't know if this one's a parrot. Looks like a parrot. See, I'm getting up and close with the parrot. Oh, is your parrot? Is this yours?
Sí, dos perros.
Oh, but this is your parrot? Oh, it's a very pretty parrot. See? Yeah. Anything can happen in Puerto Rico. Gracias, muchas gracias. Yeah, you know, the parrot belonged to that lady, so it was her parrot, but she was very kind enough to let me take a video. नहीं हम मतलब बोलो देख हमारे perks of a tropical island. Found coconuts, and not those crappy tasting Indian store coconuts that, you know, that just taste bland. This one actually tastes very delicious, man. Oh man, it's $4 per coconut. Totally worth it. $4 if converted in rupee, maybe it's like 300 rupees for one coconut. Too good. Yep, that's Puerto Rico, my friends. I'm back. I'm here at this place, and this is called Mojito Lab. This is the Mojito Lab. That's right on the shore of the beaches, and there's the menu. They have all kinds of fruity mojitos. We'll see. We might even try some. Let's see. Keep you guys posted. I'm going to show you how the mojito is made. You see, they have two options: $9, $11.50. $11.50 is for the larger. I hope they add. I hope the $1.50 is for the extra alcohol.
Yo no he tocado nada. No, que ese loco, yo ni te he hablado, dame un break.
definitely more than what we had expected.
Mango?
Yeah.
Mango.
Papi, pierde el miedo, pierde el miedo. Con miedo no llegas a nada. Hay que hacer digo. Yo la estoy ahí adentro.
What do you go? Bija lay out it. Okay, but हमारे ऊपर आंखों लग रही है, we should lay out. That's it. Can buy you? Okay, Mojito please.
Muchas gracias.
De nada.
Wait, नारियल ले आना चाहिए.
Everything together or separate?
Together.
That's the mojito.
Wait, do that again. Hold on.
So here,
Do you like to listen to it?
that's the mojito. See, this is the hand of a normal human being, and then this is the hand. This is the size of the $11.50 mojito. I think they added at least 150 ml of whatever Puerto Rican it was. You know? So,
Thank you.
yeah. My God, it's just like mangoes. It's like eating mangoes, eating adult mangoes, or maybe mangoes that are hard. Eating hard mangoes. That sounds a little wrong. it's like a mango juice with a lot of hit. 150 ml worth of hit. Keep you all posted with how it goes after this. So guys, this is the Luquillo beach. Let me show you around. See? Endless ocean. Look at the color of water. Unfortunately, my GoPro has lost it's broken a little bit, so it's lost the lid. Let's see this. Already like 5 or 6 o'clock in the evening. I don't even have a clock. I don't even have a watch. The moon is already out. Yeah. See this? So pretty. And see, there's some mountains, and the mountains have the houses. Yep. Yep. That's me on the beach. And that's where our cars are parked. I don't know if you can see them. Those red and grey cars, right on the beach line, on the shoreline, and those beautiful coconut trees. And see, there's a jet ski rental place here, but we haven't decided yet. The jet ski store was closed, so we did not get a chance to do the jet skiing thing. But we'll see tomorrow. Okay. Such a beautiful place here to hang out. See, that's what I was saying. If you really want to truly enjoy beach, It is not worth visiting the beach. You need to experience it by living there, and you know, for some time, if you live there, you can enjoy the smell or the fragrance of the beach sand in the air, the misty air. It's always nice to come to the beach. Yeah, hopefully we get to do that soon. Look at this, guys. This was the Luquillo beach. Luquillo, that's the name of the beach. Luquillo beach. It's like it makes sense because you know the water is liquid, and you have the beach where the liquid water comes and hits you. So you would call it something like Luquillo beach. Please, I'm very sorry for this bad joke. I know it's unforgivable crime, but yeah, please forgive me. So yeah, that's the beach, guys. So today, after this beach, we are probably going to head over to the place, to our Airbnb, and probably have some dinner. The plan for dinner is maybe we'll go to a Mexican restaurant and maybe have some beans and rice and maybe some burritos. We don't know yet, but after that we'll just go home and crash, and then once we are and then tomorrow, I think tomorrow as a family we are thinking we'll spend most of our time at the beach, so that you know the kids can really truly enjoy the beach hours as much as possible before we head back to Kansas. We're heading back to Kansas on Saturday, by the way. Yeah. Till then, have a good one, guys. Cheers. So guys, it's already dark, the sun has set. I think I'm going to go home and relax now. We'll call it a day tonight. Yep. Bye, guys. If I come across something exciting, I'll definitely shoot a video for you guys. Yep. Thank you. Bye. Guys, this is the restaurant area that I was talking about, right across this is the shoreline. Here's the beach, and here's that restaurant area. You see? Yeah. So there are many places to be, but maybe we'll find some good Mexican restaurant and have some rice and beans. Beans. Even the soap can is funky. Yeah. Okay, soap can. I'm at the restroom of this hotel. The soap can is funky. I've come to a restaurant. For dinner. This is the ambience of the restaurant. Yeah. It's more like a discotheque. Yeah. Party is on.